Camp Griddle, I am not the kind of guy that says, I make the best smash burger or I make the best steak. But when it comes to my ultimate avocado toast, it is actually the best avocado toast that I have ever had. My wife loves it and my kids love it, and today I'm gonna show you how I make it. But before we get started, I have to let everybody know that it is National Griddle Week and our friends at Blackstone are doing an awesome giveaway. So you're gonna wanna head over to their social media channels and find out how to win your very own 22-inch Blackstone FlexFold. Won't be exactly like this one, but it'll be close. And also a Turtle Box speaker. The key is that the giveaway ends today, the day that this recipe video is posted. So head over to their social media channels and find out how to win. Hey, Sean the camera guy, I was kind of thinking of calling this my ultimate Campacado toast instead of avocado toast. Do you think that's got a nice ring to it? Oh my God, you should see his face right now. All right, we'll just stick to ultimate avocado toast. All right, let's get started. And the only prep we have to do here is to slice up our limes. This is a super easy, super fast cook. We are gonna coast on medium heat at the highest for this cook. We wanna go pretty low and we wanna go pretty slow. So let's go down with a little bit of a mini butter bath for each of our 3 slices of sourdough. Get that toasting up to perfection. And then let's crack 3 eggs right on the griddle. Also give them a little mini butter bath as well. We're gonna go down with a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. And if you don't have a Trader Joe's nearby, you can get this type of seasoning at just about any grocery store these days. Then we're gonna flip our sourdough bread over. We just want a light toast on each side. And then we're gonna pull it off and put it on our cutting board. While our eggs are cruising on medium heat, let's get our avocado spread onto our toast. And my personal preference is to go kind of light on the avocado spread. If my sons were here, they would really want to put it on pretty thick, but we'll go thin for this cook. Now it is time to flip our eggs over because I like them over easy. And once they are done, we'll flip them back over and we'll put them right onto our bread. Now let's add on all of our special ingredients that are gonna make this so delicious and take it over the top. We're gonna sprinkle some crumbled feta on top, and I don't wanna go too heavy with the feta. And then we're gonna add some crunchy chili onion, which does bring a kick to this cook. So I just wanna drizzle a little bit on. I would recommend not overdoing it. And I think we'll add a little bit more of that seasoning here just to get it all over the bread. And then it's time for criss cross Sriracha sauce and a fresh squirt of lime, which is going to be the secret ingredient. Camp Griddle, the ultimate avocado toast, looks so delicious. Now, when my kids eat this at home, they do not use a fork, but my wife does use a fork. So let's start out savage style, like my kids do it for the first bite. Such a nice kick from that crunchy chili onion and the Sriracha. Make sure you don't go overboard there though. It can get really hot really fast, but this is just about hot enough for me. Now, I think that the secret ingredient here is that fresh squeeze of lime. The acidity just takes this over the top. Somehow it magically ties all of the flavors together. I absolutely love this ultimate avocado toast. This is in the regular rotation for my family when we are at the campground. Camp Griddle, I also must point out that this is a very affordable breakfast to make, yet it is very dense with great ingredients. It is very dense nutritionally, but it's so cheap. I mean, for 20 bucks, you can make avocado toast all week while you're camping. So it's a great bargain as well. Such a nice treat for a breakfast at the campground. If you don't want to do something heavy, like a pork roll, egg and cheese, or pancakes, this is a little bit lighter, filled with flavor. My kids who are wrestlers are eating healthy and they love when I make them this at home or at the campground. Happy National Griddle Week, everybody. Make sure you head over to Blackstone's social media channels today, the day that this episode drops, for your chance to win a 22-inch Blackstone FlexFold griddle, which is maybe my favorite griddle in the entire lineup. Sean, do you love your FlexFold?
My favorite.
They are so good. And you also have the chance to win a Turtle Box speaker. So head over to Blackstone's social accounts to find out how to win. And we'll see all of you next week right here at Camp Griddle.